Hey, welcome back to the Tinkering Psychologist. We got our 2009 Chevy Cobalt again, trying to figure out what's going on with this check engine light. So we get our little read going on. PO 0327. Sweet. That's a knock sensor. So now we will fix that. So to kick things off, you're going to want to remove battery, cable. Mine used a 10 mil to take that off, and then we'll cruise around the vehicle and go underneath, take off that sensor. So to locate the knock sensor, come up underneath, and it's just around the river bend. You can see there it is. That's the bolt that you're going to want to remove. And that cable leads to that termination point. So get our little hands in there and take those things apart. Get it out of there. And then it's going to have this behind here. There's some ribs that connect it to a piece on the engine. So you got to pull that out. Make it twisty twist. So there's the knock sensor, and it's kind of hard to get a socket in there. Get yourself your handy dandy little wrench and make your way up in there. You'll be able to get it real good. So I thought I'd try a little harder and see if I could actually get a socket on there. And turns out you can. Just have to go over top. Use a little short stem, and yeah, it works that way. You're not that much. There it is, nice and new. She's healed. There you have it, knock sensor complete. So remember, if you're not tinkering, you're not learning.